Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good morning, sir.
Before we start our meeting, is there any absentee today?
No, sir. Everyone is on board for this meeting.
Excellent. Shall we start our meeting then?
Yes, of course, sir.
Let's get started.
Mr. Akmal, you may continue to our first agenda.
Alright. Before you, this is our last meeting's minute regarding the parking lot in certain area. So, please check the minute.
I think this is fun and need no amendment.
For these minutes, I would like to suggest it to be verified. Anyone opposing it?
If there is no objection, then I think we verify this minute.
Alright, let's move to our next agenda. As reported by the Department of Occupational and Environmental Medicine, University of Gothenburg, Sweden, the vibration from train when traveling on the railway is one of the cause of bad health among people who stays close to it for a period of time. For example, in Malaysia, people who live alongside the railway, such as Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad (KTMB), may suffer high blood pressure and heart disease. So, as informed last week, we are required to find the solution. Now, can anyone explain what we got since last week?
Okay, to overcome this problem, we suggested that we need to reduce the vibration of the train.
Pardon me, can you please enlighten us about the causes of the vibration of the train?
Okay, sure. There are a lot of reasons for the train to vibrate. So one of the reasons that the train will vibrate is the wheel of the train passes by the uneven and the rough railway track. The wheel of the train will vibrate. So this physical modulation of the train will causes the transferation. Oh, sorry. I repeat again.
Okay.
So this physical modulation will transfer the vibration energy directly to the train. So it causes the train to vibrate in vertical displacement, vertical motion. Okay, so for another reason, the difference of the vibration of the both sides of the wheel. So try to imagine when the both sides of the wheel, this will vibrate and this will vibrate, but they vibrate in different magnitude of the vibration. So it will causes the train swing from left to right. So this is the basics reason for the train to vibrate.
Okay, so what is the solution that you propose to reduce the vibration?
Okay, I would like to propose us to either use the bolus damper system and the new suspension system.
As I know, for the valve system, if you want to replace either one of the components, for example, the rubber pad, the contractor must have access to have certain part of the railway and replace the rubber pad one by one, part by part. The good thing is, this process can take place whilst the train running on the other side.
Yes, that is correct. The rubber pad can also act as a damper to the train and reduce the horizontal, what I mentioned just now, the horizontal and the vertical displacement of the train when the train vibrate excessively. Okay, so if the rubber pad is worn out, the installation will be as what Mr. Akmal said just now.
On the other hand, for the new suspension system, we can do selective replacement by using a computer to monitor the vibration of each train. The dynamic response from each train will determine if the train needs to be equipped with the new suspension system, and only that particular train will be affected at the time. So, by using the new suspension system, the other train operation along the railway will be as usual and not affected except for the train with a faulty suspension system.
Okay, so installing rubber pad is not only reducing the vibration of the train, but it also reduces the noise produced between the railway track and the wheel. So it can effectively solve the noise problem for the surrounding area in the railway area.
So, which one is the best solution for solving this problem?
So for me, every product is a wear and tear product. So in terms of durability, rubber pad will be more durable compared to the new suspension system. It is because the rubber pads are installed along the railway. As the train goes by, it only uses one pad at a time, whereas the suspension system will be burdened with the workload all the time because it is attached to the train.
However, in order to do maintenance for both solutions, the new suspension system will be a lot more convenient, as we need to change the suspension of the faulty train only. On the other hand, we need to change the whole rubber pad for the whole railway when the rubber pad is worn out.
How about the workforce and time taken to complete the job?
Okay, for rubber pad, the preparation and the installation process need at least 12 people to do the job for 100 meter to 150 meter per hour. Okay, so for the new suspension system, the process will be carried out using a machine and can be complete approximately in 5 hours for the whole train.
That means, for the whole railway, the difference of time taken and workforce needed to complete the process between the new suspension system and the rubber pad is significant. The new suspension system requires much lesser time and workforce to be completed.
Alright, based on all the information presented, we can conclude that the new suspension system is the one that we will use to reduce the vibration of the train. Now, we can prepare and start to work on the project as a good health is good. Before we adjourn the meeting, anyone who wants to add anything to the discussion or any arising issue?
I think none from my side.
Okay, me too. Everything is just good.
Alright, with that, we adjourn the meeting. I hope that our project will be successful. Thank you everyone.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright.